Well, hello guys, welcome back to our channel Crypto Console. So before moving to our video, if you haven't joined our Telegram channel, kindly join. This is where we post about the node links and GitHub links regarding the nodes and also some Telegram bots and the airdrop links. All the links will be posted in the Telegram channel. And if you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. I post about the node timings and the testnet guides related to that, as you can see. And this is our YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, kindly subscribe and hit the notification icon and tune into all so you can get the instant notification about our videos, so you can set up the node and do the testnet task ASAP. Okay, in this video we're going to see about the Atlas Network Incentivized Testnet. So I already posted about the Atlas Network Testnet. So what is Atlas Network? So Atlas Network is a verifiable DePIN orchestration layer, which is where you can deploy your nodes, apps and protocols or any functions. So they will offer the compute units at a very lowest price in the market. So you can rent out their compute units and you can run whatever program or any nodes that you want to run. So let me quickly give you an introduction about Atlas Network. So there are three types of providers involved in the Atlas Network, which is node operators. So the node operators are users that can use their platform to deploy their nodes. So the second one is compute providers who can provide the infrastructure for the Atlas Network. And then the third one is restaking operators, which is basically the EigenLayer restakers who can secure the Atlas Network in a decentralized manner. So as you can see their stats, they've been supported by 48 blockchains and they deployed over 48,000 nodes and they manage over $60 million of assets and they even achieved over 3.3 million annual revenue. That makes them the 7th largest DePIN protocol in the 2024. Why Atlas Network? So as you can wonder, there are many orchestration layer platforms, but why you need to get in Atlas Network? Because like any other orchestration layer platforms, Atlas Network give you rewards for deploying nodes on their platform, and there are quests that you can participate to earn their node points, and it is secured by the EigenLayer. Let me show you their EigenLayer operator, which is secured by over 15 signees and restaked with over 50,000 Ethereum. So this is their AVS operator. As you can see, there are some big names involved: Eigenar, Blacksand, Eigenhills, all nodes, and being supported with over 49,000 Ethereum. So this is the AVS operator. So the wave 1 of airdrop is already happened. They took snapshot on the second week of December, and they also gave over 11 million worth of node tokens, and over 25,000 wallets are eligible for that. So if you followed my guide on Eigen protocol on NodeOps, and if you bought node through it, you might be eligible for that airdrop. I see some of our community members are eligible and they also climbed. And the testnet futures, I'll walk through it. So this is the important part, why we need to participate. So let me show you why we need to participate. So this is the ecosystem of the NodeOps, which their partnership mainly. As you can see, EigenLayer is partnered, and the upcoming Giant Monod is also partnered, and they've been partnered with over 50 plus ecosystem project. As you can see, they have from AVS to cloud computing, data layer, zero knowledge proofs, restaking platforms. So these partnership are not like any small names. These are the giants in their own sector. The Ori Chain Forecaster and the KIP protocol, Caldera. So all the ecosystem projects are partnered with the Atlas Network. So that's why I've been insisting to do this free testnet. So the next thing is how you can form the node points. So you can form by deploying nodes. Second one is contribute through the compute power that you can provide the infra, and then restake, and then the quest. I'll walk you through the quest page later. So the beauty of the project is that the node points you earn through the quest and deploying nodes all will be converted into the node token. That is the governance token of the Atlas Network on the mainnet launch. So let me quickly show the node allocation for the wave 1. So this is the node allocation for wave 1 that I participated in their node ops and deployed some nodes. So I got this much of allocation from their community allocation of 30 million. The main motive of this video is the wave 2, that is the testnet that's going to happen. So let me quickly show you the console. So this is the testnet page. Just connect your wallet. You can connect your MetaMask or Rabby wallet. I'm going with Rabby as it is the faster one. And then sign in to sign up through their console. For the sign up alone, you will get 10 node points, and then you can earn through the referral income. As you can see, I completed those two. And the social amplifier. So the social amplifier is the interact first. Complete this interact first, and then you can earn around 7 node points. So there is still 72 days. I think this is the end of their testnet, and the mainnet will be initiated. So after completing the quest, the first thing you need to do is click on faucet, request some token. So you can see I already requested. So after getting the faucet, you can go through their globe. This is a one-stop platform for their tracking the quest. So as you can click, if you click here, this is the register as compute provider, and then various quests are available here. So let me quickly show you with this. So the next thing is register as compute provider. So click register, it will redirect you to this page, and then connect your wallet. So the compute provider is similar to running a node. You need to run a piece of code on your infrastructure that can be your personal computer or GPU or your VPS that you can rent out to the Atlas network, and it will be converted into your node units. Depending upon the node units, you can earn node points. So this is the minimum requirement for the compute providers. So you can see 2 core, 4 GB and over 80 GB of hard disk. So this is minimum requirement. So you can provide more high-end spec. All spec can be calculated with the compute units. This is the calculation. So all the compute providers need to stake 2000 node tokens for onboarding. So about the compute providers, as you can see, 15% of token supply is reserved for the compute provider rewards. So if you have the spec and the hardware, you can leverage the hardware to the Atlas network and you can earn rewards through it. So for that, you first need to fill a form. Also include the form. Just fill the form and complete the quest, so you can get ready for the mainnet in the future. For the testnet purpose, the quest required to stake you the node tokens that you got from the faucet. So stake your node tokens and become a provider to complete the quest. And then the next thing is deploy a node, which is the COW node. So you can go to the marketplace. So after going to the marketplace, you can select your preference, or you can custom select the missions that I offer, or you can let the mission the auto assign. So the COW node has commission rate. Let me give you 10 for the video purpose. And then you can select the month that you need to deploy the COW node, and then click deploy to complete the mission. So it will redirect to a payment page that you need to pay for your deployment, and then you can complete the quest through it. So this thing alone have 250 node points. And then the COW social ampere is another quest. So by completing, you can get around 5 node points. So this is the quest page for COW. So it's a simple follow and a retweet thing. Just complete it, so you can get the points. So don't underweight the testnet, because we all know what movement did. So this is a free testnet, and there are some deployment that required fund, but the deployment are rewardful, so there is no loss in that. So the next thing is the movement hot PC deployment. So if you see the orange symbol, those things will coming soon, which will be available in the future. And if you see any green, that campaign are live. So this is the movement deployment. Click deploy, you will go to the marketplace. Similar like the COW, you can deploy the movement or PC node, and then you can earn over 250 node points. Same with the movement lab quest, that is not live weight. And then you can buy a Zai Sanitary node. It will come in the future. There is a lot of quests that will be added in the future. So just for now, complete this social quest and COW deployments, so you can earn around over 500 points. So the beauty of this, all the points will be converted into node tokens in the mainnet. So there are a lot of things that will be live in the future. The future is not so long, maybe in 1 or 2 weeks. So let me quickly show the Movement Labs deployment. I'm going with auto assign. So this is just for the testing purpose. You can select the number of month, and if you have promo code, you can go with it, or you can just simply click deploy and deploy the RPC node. So the deployment thing is that you don't need to maintain the node, or that you don't need to build it from the scratch. They have the template. You just go and choose the any node you want, just click deploy and pay the payment, and your node will be deployed within a couple of minutes. So that's the orchestration layer, and you can check your deployment nodes here. So this is your dashboard for checking your logs and all, and this is the leaderboard for the node points. So as you can deploy over many nodes you can climb through the leaderboard. By completing the quest can also help you climb the leaderboard. So make sure you do this testnet task. So I don't need to tell you about the testnet thing and how to do you, because in our community we've been focused on a lot of testnets and we are pushing the edge through it. So make sure you participating with your wallets and completing the quest on the go. So earn as much as node points, and I let you guys know when the quests are getting updated and they are went live in my Telegram channels and also in my Twitter. So make sure you follow me on both. So I will give you all the links in the description on my Telegram channel too. You can go through it. So these are some of main tasks, that is the registration EigenLayer AVS operator. You can earn a lot of node points through it. The deployment by restaking, and this is their burning thing, so you can eligible for future sales. So make sure you follow this quest and complete on the go, because they also raised over $5 million. So if you make a simple calculation on the valuation, around $50 million with their token supply is very less in number, and they also allocated over 30 million tokens for their testnet participant. And one more thing, for earning the node points, you can rate them, and future the registration for AVS operator will also be open, same like the chain base that we deployed. I'll also make a guide on it. You can actually deploy the node through the platform itself and then earn node points for that, and the register as vendor. So this thing is important for the developers that we are aspiring to earn some rewards for it. So if you're a developer or if you're a node or deployer in any platform that you can help users, you can actually leverage your knowledge by creating a template, that is a simple YAML template. For example, you can create a template for Unichain node, and then you can upload the template to the platform, that is the marketplace, right? So this is the external contributor template. So this thing will live in the future, maybe in next 2 weeks. You can go and upload your template and then wait for the validation, and the team will validate the code for any bugs or the efficiency of the code. And once you get approved, you can deploy the template and it will be shown in the external contribute. So when a user uses the template to deploy a node, the creator of the template will actually earn the node points. So this is a platform the developer can leverage their knowledge and skills to earn something. So that's it for today, guys. If you haven't followed me on Twitter, kindly follow. And if you have any doubts on the testnet, hop into our Telegram chat so I can help you out. And then follow the Atlas Network on Twitter and be updated with their testnet informations. So I'll see you guys in another video. Until then, stay safe. Have a nice day.